Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to test conductivity. So I have a little bulb here, a light bulb, connected to this battery. And if I just connect, so I have one connected there, and this one I'm holding myself. If I just connect the two ends, you're going to see my light bulb light up. Okay. If it's not connected, obviously it doesn't light. So I need to make a circuit. I need to make a circle between this to make it light up. If there's no circuit, then the bulb doesn't light. But what I'm going to do instead to that circuit is I'm going to put one of the elements in between and see if it will still light up. So that should tell you if that element is conductive or not. So I'm going to start with aluminum. I'm going to put the aluminum on top and see if I can get it to go through. Okay, like that. Problem is the aluminum needs to be, there it goes. So notice I'm not touching the wire to it. I'm just touching, I'm pushing down on the element so it touches the metal, and then I'm touching my little connection to the aluminum. So it's not going to this, the aluminum is going in between the two. So take a look one more time. There you go. So notice it's going onto the aluminum and it's not touching the metal of the battery. Okay, so that tells you it's got a positive conductivity there. So now this one I'm going to put, what it has to touch is the inside of it. So when you use this one, it goes inside the little thing. So I have to, the connector, you can see even before I even touched it. Oh, angles, people, it's hard. So you can see I'm touching it just to the magnesium. I'm not touching it to the battery, and it lit up. This one will be a little bit easier because it's bigger. So I'm going to put it inside. Notice I put it inside that hole, and I'll touch it to it. Uh-oh. This one did not light up. This sulfur, I'm going to do the same. So that was silicon. This is sulfur. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to put it inside the little hole and then touch it to the outside of it. If it would stay in, that would help. Okay. And you can see nothing's lighting up. Okay, now the zinc, I'm going to put it inside the hole again, best I can. And touch it to the top of the zinc, and you can see we have another positive light bulb. And then the carbon, I'm going to put it in the hole again. Oops, here goes my carbon. And touch it to the carbon. Make sure not to touch that. I'm not touching the metal. Sorry, I'm touching the metal and I'm not touching the carbon. I don't have very big pieces of carbon. So I'm going to try to do it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that was an accident. Sorry, that one I touched the metal. That was my fault. But you can see before that there was no reaction. Okay, and so that's for all the metals. So once again, aluminum, magnesium, silicon, sulfur, zinc, and carbon. And I just said metals, but I shouldn't have said metals. These are all 6 elements.